Hi, I'm Stephanie with MetaStock. The ability to create custom workspaces using flex sheets in MetaStock XENITH can save you time for creating that winning trading strategy. In this training demonstration, we're going to create custom workspaces using flex sheets and tools like quote objects, news, and charts. From the drop-down menu under Add, we're going to select Flex Documents. Let's select the 4-section blank Flex document. In the first section, we're going to add a chart. Let's add the symbol for crude oil. You can easily add an analysis to this chart by using the drop-down menu under the Analysis section. Let's select Bollinger Bands and select Add. You can change the interval. Let's select Hourly. And you can also change the range. Let's go to this week. You can easily remove the analysis by selecting it on the chart and hitting the Delete key on the keyboard. Let's move to the other section of the Flex document. Let's add some news. Let's do a search for gold. This will retrieve the headlines that have the word gold in them. You can open up any of the headlines by clicking onto the titles. And this will retrieve the news story. Let's do another search for Forex. Let's move to another section of the Flex document and let's add a quote. Let's type in IBM. This quote window will produce information on the various quotes available for IBM. For example, the last price, the bid, the ask, the volume, the VWAP, the open, and information like the 50 period, the 150 period, and the 200-day moving average. And it'll also give you the 10-day, the 25-day, and the 50-day moving average of the volume. In our final section of the Flex document, let's add an option watch. And let's do that for Microsoft. The Option Watch window will give you information on the calls, the last, the net, the percent change, the bid, the ask, the implied volume, and the expiration date. And if you scroll to the right, the same information is available on the puts, as well as the strike price. Next, let's review how to save your custom workspace. Select File, Save As, and let's give it a name. And select Save. To close your custom workspace, you're just going to want to hit the X in the tab. And now we're going to quickly show you how to retrieve your workspace. Just select File, Open, find it in the list, highlight it and select Open. And your custom workspace will open. Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.